Yes, I'm Peter Feinmann, president of Feinmann Inc. We're a design-build company that's been in the greater Boston area for almost 33 years. You know, remodeling your home is an overwhelming process. There are many ideas to consider. There are many selections to make. There are many people going to come through your home. So how do you deal with overwhelm? If you're feeling overwhelmed by the process, then it's really important to hire a team that can really guide you through the process. If you're the kind of person who can manage multiple pieces of information and multiple details while you're working and manage your family, you might be able to take a stronger role in your project. But we find that many people today are very busy in their lives, and it's really important to them that they have a team that they can lead them through the many, many layers of remodeling your home so that it's successful and so it's not overwhelming.